皆さんこんにちは。Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn the days of the week in kanji. I have another lesson for the days of the week in hiragana, so you can find the link below for your information. In this lesson, I will introduce 7 kanji characters for a week, so I hope you will enjoy. Now let's get started. 始めましょう。We are seeing 7 kanji here. Each kanji represents a day of the week as well as the meaning. So let's see how to read them. Now let's read from the top. 日、月、火、水、木、金、土。One more time. 日、月、火、水、木、金、土。So when you describe the days of the week, you put 曜日 after each kanji. So let's see each days. 日曜日、月曜日、月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、金曜日、土曜日、One more time. 日曜日、月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、金曜日、土曜日。 Now your next step is learning a kanji that shows direction, like up, down, right, left, forward, back. So keep learning. Thank you for taking my lesson. See you soon.